Hi guys, today we're doing a grapevine. Before we get started, hit that notification button. And this is our grapevine.
Where?
There!
Where?
There!
Wow. That is a big grapevine full of grapes.
I know.
The budgie should be happy. Okay, Dad is turning. So many bunches of grape. Liza?
Yeah.
How did you grow them?
It just came like this. Now he's yellow shoulder.
Look. Indoor grapevine.
Indoor.
Magic.
There's a lot, but outside there's none.
It's magic, look.
There's more than that.
And they're starting to go dark. These are all dark grapes. They're green now, but over the course of the next few weeks, they'll all turn dark. But they've already gone dark. Look how many bunches. You know how much these cost? I think one bunch is about over £1. Look how many we've got.
You don't need to buy any.
No, look, this one's nearly ready to pick. Let's see what they taste like. You want to taste one?
No.
Pick one.
They're not ready yet.
Yeah, taste one.
No.
Let me taste this one.
This tastes like the same as the...
Yeah, taste one, the same. You're ready to be picked. You've got a seed in it, here.
It has seed.
Yeah, eat it.
It's okay.
How does it taste? It's got a seed in it. Is it nice? So they're ready to be picked? Indoor grapevine. If you had to buy all this, it would cost
Where's the cupcake? What do you want to see?
probably over £100. More. 200 £200.
It's sweet.
Yeah, sweet. We'll start picking them
Dad, where should I put the seed?
in the bin.
Okay. Come back.
Indoor grapevine.
The grapevine comes into the window, and then it comes in. That's how it started, like a little stick, and before it was an ant, and it came out like this.
That's how it comes into the conservatory. 2 branches from outside,
Came in.
and that's created all of this. 2 branches in case
Maybe
one snaps or dies. Or is it 1 branch?
No, 2 branches.
Yeah, there's 2.
There's 3.
One, yeah, they're intermingled. 2 branches. So there's the 2 branches. 1, 2. And they intermingle.
Guys, let's come outside to have a look. Woo! Don't go out. This is a great from outside. And this is how it comes into the house. Into that window. They have a lot of windows in that house.
You know, grapes growing
Yes?
outside.
The grapes outside are growing too small
Why is that?
because they have coldness, not hotness.
Yeah, it's not warm enough. So inside is massive bunches of grape. Outside, that's the grape bunch. Little specks of green.